guys, welcome to my channel. Hope all are doing well. I'm here with my new video on 8 best electric bikes and scooters to buy in Nepal in 2021. Electric vehicles are said to be the future of automobile industry. It not only makes you the less dependent on fossil fuels, but also helps on reducing the carbon emission that are harming the atmosphere and ultimately people's lives. The popularity of electric vehicles is increasing rapidly globally, and Nepal is no exception. Here we have prepared a list of electric bikes and scooters along with the specifications that you can purchase in Nepal in the preference order. First one is NIU N series. NIU probably has the best two-wheeler electric vehicles in Nepal. The N series is a perfect example of that. The scooter is stylish and lightweight that can easily pass through the narrow lanes of the Kathmandu Valley. It has a unique ring-shaped LED headlight and a premier appearance. It has a ground clearance of 145 mm only, which can be a problem on some bumpy roads of the valley. The 2400 watt motor used in this scooter is made by Bosch. The battery powering of this vehicle is 60V29AH Panasonic lithium ion that has a 2-year warranty. The battery will take around 6 hours to fully charge and will give a range from 50 to 80 km. It has a portable battery which enables you to charge your scooter anywhere you like. It has a double disc brake system and 3 speed modes to select from. It has a top speed of 48 km per hour in mode 3, 37 km per hour in mode 2 and 27 km per hour in mode 1. The scooter also has a massive 18-liter boot space under the seat. Further, there are plenty of cool features in the N series. It has a cruise control mode as well as an electronic braking system EBS. This intelligent system uses regenerative braking to recover up to 10% of the battery energy. In simple words, you can gain battery while braking. The key to the scooter is multifunctioning. Along with locking and unlocking the scooter, it also locates the scooter and alarms if someone else uses this vehicle. There is only an NIU app for the owners that allows them to check the battery information, battery health, and travel history. The NIU N series is available in different outlets of NIU, and the specifications are: length is 1800 mm, width is 700 mm, height is 1130 mm, ground clearance is 145 mm, seat height is 740 mm. Tire size 90 by 90, rim size 12, back tire size 120 by 90, rim size 12. Battery is 60V29AH Panasonic lithium ion. Motor is 2400 watt Bosch. Top speed is 48 km per hour. Torque is 120 Nm. Range is 50 to 80 km. Charging duration is 6 hours. Curb weight is 95 kg. And its price starts from 2,54,000. The second one is NIU NGT. NIU NGT is a better version of the NIU N series. This is a powerful scooter that has a great pickup and better ground clearance. It also comes with classical circular headlights. The dashboard is also larger here. There are 3 modes that the rider can choose from. The eco-friendly mode that gives a top speed of 20 km per hour is great for traffic and power saving. The dynamic mode is for daily normal use that gives a top speed of 50 km per hour, and if you want to have a little fun and go a little faster, there is a sports mode that allows you to speed up your vehicle up to 70 km per hour. There is a dual battery system in this vehicle that provides you with mileage up to 170 km, which means it will be enough for 2 to 3 days of use in the valley. There is also a dual charging system. The users charge the battery directly in the scooter through the charging port or can take out the portable batteries and charge anywhere they like. When the battery is charged by taking them out, the battery charges 0 to 100% in 3.5 hours, whereas the battery will take 7 hours while charging directly. However, the dual battery means there is no big storage space as space has been taken by them. It can start without the use of brakes and has a cruise control mode as well as an electronic braking system. It also has access to the NIU app. Specifications are length 1815 mm, width 725 mm, height 1185 mm, seat height 780 mm, front tire size 90 by 90, rim size 12, back tire size 120 by 70, rim size 12, battery 60 V335 AH, Panasonic lithium ion, motor tailored motor by Bosch, top speed 70 km per hour, range 170 km, charging duration 3.5 hours, torque 138 Nm, curb weight 115 kg. Price starts for NIU and ZT is 3,98,888. Next one is Super Soco CUX. Among the 5 models released by D Lifestyle Private Limited, Super Soco CUX is a premium range electric scooter that comes with a classy look. The company targets the urban trendy youth looking for a fresh change in perspective. The slim design makes it comfortable to ride in the city. It also comes with 3 riding modes: economical, normal and sport. The motor is powered by Bosch. This vehicle supports the Super Soco app, from which you can have the details of the scooters and the user's travel history. The ground clearance is very small though, and also there is no boot space as the battery takes all the space. The security system is good on Super Soco as there is app tracking, alarm and the wheels will be locked. There is also a USB port. The company provides a 3-year warranty on the battery and a 2-year warranty in the two-wheeler. Specifications are length 1782 mm, width 618 mm, height 1087 mm, ground clearance 140 mm, seat height 770 mm, front tire size 90 by 90, rim size 12, back tire size also 90 by 90, rim size 12. Its battery is 60V30Ah, Panasonic lithium ion, motor Bosch, torque 50 Nm, top speed 65 km per hour, range 56 km, charging duration 3.5 hours, vehicle weight 64 kg. The price for this scooter in Nepal is Rs 2,39,900 for standard color and 2,49,900 for luxury colors. Super Soco CPX. The CPX is the premier version of the electric scooters of Super Soco. This is more powerful, more technologically advanced, faster, bigger than the most electric scooters available in the market. Though it has a large road presence, CPX is capable of commanding its way through the traffic and is nimble enough to dissect through busy sections. It also has a one-push reverse switch for easy movement out of the traffic or dead ends. Other features include 16-inch tubeless tires, remote key, anti-theft alarm, USB charging port, and storage space. Extra large seat and disc brakes at both ends. It also has keyless ignition and wheel locking function. It supports a dual battery that can last up to 137 km when charged fully. This is also a windshield. There is also a windshield that gives personality and deviates the air from under the windscreen. The company provides a 3-year warranty on battery and 2-year warranty on the scooter. Specifications are: length is 2022 mm, width is 790 mm, height is 1442 mm, ground clearance is 152 mm, seat height is 760 mm, front tire size is 100 by 80, rim size 14, rear tire size is 110 by 80, rim size 14, battery is 60V 45Ah, lithium ion, motor Super Soco, torque 46.5 Nm, top speed 90 km per hour, range is 137 km on dual battery, charging duration 3 to 4 hours, vehicle weight 107 kg. For single battery variant, the price starts from 4,59,900, and for double battery variant price is 5. And the next one is Super Soco TSX. Coming to the electric bikes, the Super Soco TSX comes with a high level of modern finishes with a determined and practical style. The new X version stands out for its aggressive graphics and is driven by decidedly more powerful electric engine. The vehicle has a durable carbon steel frame with a lightweight aluminum subframe and has front and rear disc brakes with CBS. The motor is powered by a 3 kW max power Bosch motor and has a capacity for 2 removable lithium battery packs. The Super Soco TSX also has the keyless ignition feature for a convenience and app integrations to boost connectivity. It is also equipped with an alarm and wheel lock function, ensuring safety while parking. There is also an advanced battery management system that makes sure that the battery remains in top condition. The vehicle is also equipped with a super bright LED and has a digital display. The company provides a 3-year warranty on the battery and 2-year warranty on its product. Specifications are: length is 1895 mm, width is 703 mm, height is 1066 mm, ground clearance is 198 mm, seat height is 770 mm. Front tire size is 70 by 100, rim size 17, rear tire size is 100 by 70, rim size 17. Battery 60V30Ah Panasonic lithium ion. Motor 3000 watts Bosch. Torque 55 Nm. Top speed 80 km per hour. Range 128 km. Dual battery. Charging duration 3 to 4 hours. Vehicle weight 66 kg. The Super Soco TSX price starts from 2,85,900 for the single battery variant and 3,69,900 for double battery variant. Next one is Super Soco TC Max. The Super Soco TC Max is an alluring electric bike blended with a perfect mix of style and performance. The cafe racer inspired design is lightly built with superior range and powerful motor and possesses an abundance of style. The bike also has a belt drive to the rear wheel that provides smooth power delivery without the need for chain maintenance. The handling of the bike is very comfortable according to the company, and the bike has a safety focused CBS braking system. It had it has a USD front suspension and mono rear shock. The bike also has the three power modes. Security wise, it has an inbuilt alarm wheel locking system. The bike also has keyless ignition and a hidden storage compartment. The TC Max has been designed for everyday urban explorers. Bikers enthusiasts can choose between aluminum and spoke wheels. The company provides a 3-year warranty on the battery and 2-year warranty on its products. Specifications are: length is 1982 mm, width is 740 mm, height is 1031 mm, ground clearance is 189 mm, seat height is 770 mm. Front tire size is 90 by 80, rim size 17. Rear size is 120 by 70, rim size 117. Battery 72V 45Ah lithium ion, motor Super Soco, torque 180 Nm, top speed 95 km per hour, range 95 km, charging duration 3 to 4 hours, vehicle weight 79 kg. The Super Soco TC Max is priced at Rs 4,89,900.